We will guide you through how to make a good diagram on Miro. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, turn on your computer and connect to a stable internet connection before starting the process. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Miro website. Sign into your Miro account using your preferred login method. Then wait for the Miro dashboard or workspace to load completely. Once the dashboard is ready, open the Miro board where you want to create the diagram. Wait for the selected board to finish loading so that the canvas and available tools are ready to use. Locate the Templates option on the Miro toolbar. Click Templates to open the available template library and explore the different designs provided by Miro. Use the search bar to find a diagram template that matches your needs. Enter a suitable keyword describing the type of diagram you want to create. Then wait for the relevant templates to appear. Browse the available templates and choose a layout that fits your project. Consider how much information you need to display and select a design that provides enough space for your content. Click the selected template to preview its design and structure. Review the layout carefully to make sure it supports the information you plan to present. Select Use Template to add the template to your Miro board. Wait for the template to appear fully on the canvas before making changes. Replace the sample text with your own information and ideas. Click each text area and enter clear, relevant details that explain the topic of your diagram. Arrange the diagram elements so the information is clear and easy to follow. Customize the colors, fonts, and formatting to create a consistent visual style. Check the spelling, connections, labels, and overall arrangement carefully. Ensure that important information is visible and that the diagram communicates its purpose clearly.